What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to take you to an awesome four-wheel drive trail called Onion Creek. So let's go check it out. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. Camping spot for the night. Pretty awesome view. Moab right down the hill down there towards the fins. That's all sand flats, recreation area where we camped the last few nights. Good morning, everybody. We're going to fill up with some fresh spring water right here in Moab. So let's go get it. We're on our way to Onion Creek, which is a really epic, iconic four-wheel drive trail, pretty much right here in Moab, Utah, and we're gonna go check it out in the truck camper. So let's go. Here we are on Highway 128 at mile marker 20. Looks like Onion Creek is to our right here. Here we go. Onion Creek Trail is supposedly about 11 miles long. It's an out and back trail, but you can also just continue and connect it with the LaSalle Loop Road. The cool part is you can come camp for free back in here if you're in designated sites. And off to the left is the Fish Towers, which is, you can go, there's a hiking trail that's supposed to be pretty cool that goes up there. It's supposed to be in a separate road over there. This is a gorgeous drive so far. Really smooth road. We went ahead and let air out just because. Really pretty. It's a ton of little creek crossings, really easy, but totally manageable in two-wheel drive so far. Guess who's driving now? Oh yeah. This road's actually really nice, really smooth, very scenic. It's crazy looking from here. It's so funny watching it drive away. I never got to sit passenger in it on a four-wheel drive trail. Kind of fun. We are out of the narrows of the canyon, maybe. I don't know. We've come out into this new area. The mountains look totally different. There's some shrubbery all over them. Kind of green now. Still cruising up. I think we're like 7 or 8 miles up the Onion Creek Trail right now. It's been really chill, not really difficult at all. A couple creek crossings, a couple little bouncy spots, but really smooth. We've been in two-wheel drive the whole time. We made it up to the top of the, I don't want to say it's a pass, but we're up to the top of Onion Creek Road, pretty much in this big ranchy plateau. Looks like a ranch or something's over there. I think there's a fork in the road. I think a lot of people turn around, but there might be another way to go. We'll check it out up here. I think we're gonna go ahead and continue, see what kind of trouble we can get into. We're on the Cavepeli Trail. It's like a maybe 30-ish looking miles around to where we can hook back up to a road, so we'll see. Oh, you're not in a gear, maybe. There you go. Oh yeah. This kind of stuff looks like nothing on camera. It's actually pretty tippy right here though. Woo. This is Aaron's first time like actually four-wheeling. I think we just found the end of the road. And kill the engine really quick. Woo! This is the four-wheel drive only part. Yeah, that looks a little gnarly. Our truck is too wide. Oh yeah, it just goes down into a canyon. I mean, not impossible, it's just, you know, we're not gonna make that switch back. Steep. I'm sure it looks like nothing on camera, but it's a lot steeper than it looks.
Yeah, down there looks fine, but it's this stuff.
Echo! Kind of like I expected, we're gonna go back out Onion Creek the same way we came in. As you guys saw, that you could do that in a Jeep probably pretty easy, but we just have no beta or info on that trail and what it's like, and it got pretty gnarly, just a little bit too tight for this long bed F350 with a cabin in the back especially. So we're gonna head back back out to the right here down Onion Creek. Well, that's a wrap, guys. I'd highly recommend coming out on Onion Creek Road. Really awesome trail, really scenic, and pretty simple. It's a great truck camper road. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my content. And we'll see you again on the next adventure. Peace, y'all.